Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM ClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this gorgeous, I mean drop dead gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, guys. This thing is painted Hugger orange, and wow, did they do a gorgeous, beautiful paint job, and I'm not kidding. I've been doing this for 26 years. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. As you can see, it's got the RS setup in the front, and yes, they do work. You got the cowl induction hood, beautiful chrome, nice grille in the front there, beautiful hockey stripe is what we call it in the industry. You got these beautiful torque thrust chrome, high impact chrome wheels. As you can see, the disc brakes in the front, guys. Dual side sport mirrors. You got lightly tinted windows, nice door handles. All the crevices in the car are really, really nice. Nice black clean vinyl top. You got wipers here, nice dash, nice glass as well, guys. Rear quarters are tinted as well. Just a beautiful finish, gorgeous on the trim there. Rear brakes are drum as they were back in the day. No popping on the paint, no cracks. I don't see any pimples. I don't see any stress cracks. There's your reverse lights for the RS setup. Black panel has been painted like the Super Sports. Beautiful rear tint on the glass as well. Passenger side, just as nice. Great high reflection on the paint. I'm going to definitely rate this paint a high 9. Just beautiful. Stripes are painted on the car, guys. They did a nice job on that. So there it is. I'm going to pop this hood, guys. I want you guys to check this out. You got a big block 454. You got the Edelbrock Performer 2.0 on it with the Holley 4-barrel carb. Nice stock big block valve covers. You got the hooker headers, power steering, power disc brakes with the booster and cylinder, newer interstate battery, no overheating issues. Hoses have been all redone. MSD upgraded on the ignition system. As you can see there, guys, beautiful engine compartment, super clean. Let's check out the trunk real quick. You got your cargo mat here, beautiful finish underneath, just like that black. Look how clean those inner quarters are. Beautiful, nice and smooth. All the weather stripping is super nice on the car as well. Okay, you got a 12-bolt POSI with the 373 gear underneath, guys. Look at these door lips. Perfect. Factory pinch welds, super clean, no rot. Beautiful door panels, brand new houndstooth TMI. They recline back and front. They match with the belts. Nice package tray. All the weather stripping is super nice. You got tilt wheel, upgraded gauges that look factory. You got upgraded stereo for the Bluetooth. And they even took this houndstooth material and look at what they did there on the center console. Beautiful setup, upgraded for your coffee in the morning. Look at that. Super clean. Headliner is tight. Dash pad is good. And driver's side just as nice. I'm going to fire this up. That's your fuel pump. Look at these beautiful gauges. I mean, unbelievable. Wow. Those are probably the sharpest upgraded gauges I've ever seen, guys. You have to admit. Beautiful. Nice dash. Super clean. The radio for some reason is not turning on. I don't know why. Woo! at this. That is clean. All right, guys. One good thing with these reclining seats, sliders, if you're over 6 feet tall, you're definitely going to fit. So that's what this was set up for. I'm 5'8", so I got to pull the seat up. Tilt wheel, like I mentioned, guys. Horn. Got your wipers functioning. Your headlights work, open, close. Okay. There's your left turn signal. Super cool, right? And your right turn signal. All right. Heat defrost all functions as well. Now, if you guys wanted to add maybe, hold on, let me get this going here. If you guys wanted to add air conditioning, you guys can definitely do that. That's an option that we can do here at the dealership as well. Okay. You can look for prices for that under the description. It should give you prices for that. And if you wanted to upgrade, this car would just need, I'm sure this radio functions, but if you wanted to upgrade kick panel speakers, we can do those. If you wanted to upgrade, let's see, the 6x9s, they're already there, so you don't need that. You really don't need anything, in my opinion. Let's see how I can adjust the seats. All right, adjust the mirrors. And so yeah, if you needed those upgrades, we can do so as well. Now you can roll in your sales tax. You can roll in your delivery fee if you wanted to, or any upgrade to this vehicle can be rolled into your loan. All you would need is about $6,300 down. Just call it $6,500 down, okay, and then the rest can be financed through one of my lenders. Gauges do function, all of them, and also the gauges on the center console. If I didn't show you that, look at this. Those have been all upgraded as well. Okay. So we got a little heat in the motor, which is good because it is cold out. I think it's 35 degrees right now. You got a turbo 400 trans. Shifts like it should. This thing goes down the road really smooth, guys. No odd noises inside the cockpit here. Very nice. Super tidy and clean. When you hit the brakes, stops well, no problems. Turn signals function like I said. Power steering feels great. And you can smoke the tires whenever you want. That's why you buy a big block Camaro versus a small block. Hey, listen, don't get me wrong on the small blocks. I'm just talking stock, okay? There's no comparison from stock on a small block to a big block. The big block where it's at, it even sounds better, but that's just my opinion. Oh! That's 50 miles an hour, guys. Okay? Alright, that's just, oh man. You just gotta buy it to experience it. Let's just say that, okay? This thing is super, super nice, guys. Quarters appear to be replaced, but they did such a nice job on the quarters. They're nice and straight. And listen, most of these 69s have been replaced anyway. Suspension feels awesome. Yeah, really, really nice. Really, really nice car, guys. I mean, super nice. So nice that you'll probably win Best of Paints in a car show in this category. So we're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway if you guys wanted to fly in. And check that out. I know it's here November 11th. I know TCA is having problems, you know, with government shutdown on flights and stuff, so that might be a little difficult, but that's okay. I can also deliver the car to you. I can also deliver the car to you. Just call or text me with your zip code, and I'll get this thing in a truck and right over to your driveway. Kind of like ordering a pizza, but not. But it's fairly easy, okay? If you don't need financing, not a problem. But if you do, if your credit score is like 630 to like 770, you will need 10% down, about $6,500. Good credits. Rates start at about 8%. Long-term financing, no prepayment penalty, very low payments. You will be surprised on that, what we can do for you upon the low payments. If your score is 775 and higher, get in touch with me and I will give you my direct link to my lender. I can do that. But those of you that are between 630 and 770, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out that credit application. But again, if you need delivery, any questions that I need to answer for you guys, call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. I appreciate your time, guys. We're going to pull in back to the building here and get another car on display. Okay? We'll talk very soon. Thank you guys once again for spending your 10 minutes with me here at MGM. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.